The accessory control panel is intended for caregiver use only. These buttons allow the caregiver to perform actions such as green go button, underbed light control on-off, head up, head down, knee up, knee down, bed high, bed low, auto contour adjustment up, auto contour adjustment down, Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg, cardiac chair, emergency Trendelenburg, CPR, and examination position. The caregiver can also use the accessory control panel to lock out certain functions on the bed frame by pressing the corresponding lockout button.